What's up guys, welcome back to the Juvia's Place YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? My name is Nina Vee and today I'm going to be taking you guys through the whole lipstick collection. So lipsticks, glosses and lip liners, you're gonna see all of the shades right here, and then I'm gonna take you guys through a few of my top favorite lip combinations so you can see how they look on the lips, and that's about it. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. If you want to see all of that good stuff, then keep on watching. Now let's begin with the lipsticks. So there are three categories in the lipstick collection. You have the nude chocolates, the nude mauves, and the nude peaches. So there are 4 lipsticks in each category, so there is plenty for everyone to choose from, different tones in each category, so there are so many beautiful lipsticks. It's a soft matte formula infused with hyaluronic acid, which is amazing for the lips. They're super creamy, pigmented, and apply super smooth. So these are incredible. I'm actually going to take you guys through all the shades right now.
Firstly, can we appreciate this beautiful packaging? Let's go into the chocolates with Lady, Muted, Toffee, and then lastly it's Cacao. Onto the peaches with Mademoiselle, In Vogue, Libra, and then lastly Me. And into the mauves we have Chic, A Mauve Moment, 2020, and then lastly Kebby.
Next we have the lip liners. These lip liners apply so amazing on the lips. You'll see a bit later on when I'm going to do the lip combinations. They are the perfect lip pencil. They're a long wear pencil, they last all day, and they're super creamy and glide onto the lips really easily. They're actually super precise as well, so you're able to get that beautiful lip line super easy. Next we have the glosses. So there are 2 categories for the glosses. We have the glass glosses and then we have the lip reflect glosses. Now what is the difference? So in the glass glosses we have 3 different shades. We have a clear gloss, we have a clear with a gold shimmer, and then we have a clear with a pink shimmer. I'm going to take you guys through all of the shades in a minute, so don't worry. And then in the lip reflect glosses, they are a cream colored formula, super smooth, no shimmers inside, but they are colored glosses with different undertones, and I'm going to take you guys through all of the shades right now.
Starting off with It's Glass, So Glazed, It's Electric, Barely There, Caramel Rose, Sis, and Kiss Me.
Now it's time for the lip combinations. So I'm gonna walk you through my top picks for all of these combos, and let me know what you guys think down below and which ones are your favorite. So for my first lip combination, it is this one right here. Now this lip liner I'm using for most of the lip combinations except for one. This one just suits my skin tone the best. It's a beautiful mid-tone brown. It goes with so many nude lipsticks, so it's perfect for me. So if you guys are looking for a good mid-tone brown, this is your guy right here. So I'm starting off with the peaches, and this one is Mademoiselle. It's the lightest peach that works with my skin tone. It's a beautiful light peach. Applies so smooth on the lips, really easy to work with. You can really blend in the lipstick with a lip liner and vice versa, and works so well on its own as well as with a gloss. This is probably one of my top 2 favorite shades. To top off that lipstick, I've gone with It's Electric, which is the gold shimmer gloss. This just pairs so beautifully, really pulls in all the colors and just gives the lips such a beautiful high shine. This is definitely one of my top favorite combinations. For my next lip combination, I've stayed with the peaches and I've gone with this one right here. I started off with So Rare lip liner, and then I've gone in with In Vogue, which is another beautiful peach. It's definitely much brighter than the previous one, but it's definitely such a beautiful peach lipstick. As you can see, it just works so well with the lip liner. And I thought I would stick with the same lip gloss just because it really pulls in the colors for me and it just looks super beautiful. It's Electric, which is the gold shimmer gloss, and I think it just works so well together. So let me know what you guys think of this lip combination. Moving on to the chocolate nudes. Now this one is definitely one of my top favorite shades from the whole collection, along with Mademoiselle, but this one in the chocolates I just adore. So it's called Lady, and it is such a beautiful true mid-tone brown. This is just my perfect really nude brown shade. It just works so well on its own if you just want a simple matte lip. I paired this with So Rare lip liner, but of course I love a gloss, so I've gone with its Glass lip gloss, which is the clear gloss. I wanted the lipstick to shine on its own, so I thought why not pair it with the clear lip gloss. Such a simple yet beautiful lip combination with a high shine lip gloss. I love this combination. Sticking with the nude chocolates, I've gone in with a more grungy toned lipstick. This one is called Muted, and it's a cool tone brown, so definitely more of a grungy feel on my skin tone, but it's such a beautiful lipstick. Again, applies so seamlessly and just really easy to blend in with a lip liner. For this one, I did want a gloss with it, but I also wanted to mute down the lipstick just a tad, so I decided to go in with one of the colored glosses, the Lip Reflect glosses. This one is called Barely There. It's a light, creamy, neutral beige color, almost pink on me, so it really does tone down the grungy lipstick, but just works well with it as well. So this is the next lip combination. What do you guys think? For my next lip combination, I wanted to jump into the mauve nudes, and so I've gone in with this lip liner right here, which is called Cola, and it's a much deeper lip liner, almost has that purpley undertone, so it will work best for the mauve lipsticks. And for the lipstick itself, I've gone in with this one right here, and this one is called Chic. It has that beautiful warm mauve nude undertone. It's definitely soft toned, really beautiful on the lips, and just works really well with that purplish toned lip liner. And to top it off, of course, I had to use the pink shimmery gloss, and this one right here, it just works so well with this lipstick. And this one is called So Glazed. Again, that pink shimmer just pulls everything together. This is definitely more bold on me, but I really do love the way that all of these lip products work together for this lip combo. So that is it for me today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got to see all the shades from the collection and a few lip combinations. So definitely let me know your favorites down below, and I'll love you and leave you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.